If your Google Maps is not working offline, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch to fix that problem. So you might need to simply go ahead and update or re-download your Maps application. So simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and simply go ahead and search for Google Maps. Then tap on the application and there might be an update pending, just like that. Simply go ahead and tap on it and it is going to start your update process. Finally, once it is updated, you want to simply go ahead and open the application. Clicking on the open button, that is going to appear exactly where the update button was. Finally, once you've done that, click on open and click on your profile on the top right. Go down to offline maps. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and delete your previous map, or you could also click on update directly, which is going to simply go ahead and do it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.